You hit the camera?
I hit the lens.
I mean, it's a...
Check. Damn, I'm accurate. Why are you rubbing it? You're gonna make it worse.
Nah, it's a... I put filters on my cameras for a reason.
Filter fish.
Because you got reckless people like this guy who want to toss rib nuts at the screen.
That was a regular rivet?
Rib nut, same difference.
Rivet.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. Holy snow. Jeez. Well, I guess I won't be going to the shop today. Welcome to Maryland. Welcome to my underground lair. This is my workstation. Right behind me I have a nice iMac 27-inch. Right now I'm about to go visit Greg. I think he's like really close to having an S2000 done. It's pretty dope. And then not to mention it's like sunny outside today. Welcome to Maryland, because it was just snowing yesterday. Then it was like raining ice, then rain, and it was pretty stupid. Kind of wish I lived in California or Florida. Yeah, let me just finish packing up because I just thought I'll let you guys see my office. And before people try to talk about my shoes that I had on, look, I'm gonna put y'all onto something pretty dope. These are heated slippers by some company called Volt. They look like Napoleon Dynamite shoes. I know, little space boots, but trust me, since I'm working in my basement, the floor is like concrete, it's always cold, so my feet just stay frozen. But I thought I'd counteract that and get some heated slippers. They have like nice little battery packs that you slide in. So LED indicator, then it comes with like a remote. See, look, lights up green, let you know if it's fully charged. Yeah, those that know that when you edit, or if you don't know, when you edit, you spend hours just your life in a time capsule, slowly passing you by.
Goodies for you, Greg. OEM Honda radio.
Alright, so yeah, it's a lot hotter than what I expected it to be. It's like, feels like it's like 60 degrees right now. I overdressed, but it's the life of being in Maryland once again. Snows one day, rains, hot the next, and then be sub-zero temperatures after that. Now that puppy is in there. Let's get this show on the road.
I needed this because the steering wheel was way too close to the like blinkers and everything.
Could you move any? Oh.
There's like a little hole in the carpet at the heel of the driver's seat. These are NRG. I think it's like one of the only floor mats that they make. But dude, I'm just waiting on freaking Honda. I ordered a bunch of parts on Monday. They were supposed to be here Tuesday, and then it snowed yesterday. They're still not here. They should have been here Tuesday, regardless of the snow. And then they didn't come Wednesday because of the snow, I assume. And then they usually come in the morning, they have the parts. They said that they would have by Tuesday.
Quality.
Why don't they just put the code on the top?
I don't know.
Like,
From 1999.
God, I'm so glad that just worked though. So once those gaskets come today, I can finish doing that. Once I finish doing the headlights, I can finally mount the bumper, and then I can put the lip on it. I can do the splash shields. I need to paint the wheels. I'll probably paint the wheels tonight.
You want to tell them what color you doing yet?
The wheels?
Yep. And we got so much to catch them up on.
Yeah, I feel like matte black would just look too shitty. The bumper's just kind of sitting on there. It's not, I don't have like the bracket on. It's just bolted.
Dude, your fitment is still better than a lot of other people, and you didn't even finish.
Yeah, I mean it fits up pretty well. It's funny that this side the bumper doesn't fit up as well. Like this isn't even without. This is without all of the like the bracket and the bolts. I have one like hand tight, but I mean that honestly it doesn't look that bad. The headlight is not aligned at all.
It's because you do this every day. You're so critical of it. I'm looking at it. I'm like, damn, that shit look good to me. Only thing that look off is just a headlight, but I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, the headlight's down. It's not bolted into anything but this one over here.
I kind of figured.
Throw my back out.
Thank you, bro. Bless me with the.
You hold the camera. I'll hold the brakes.
Bless me with freight services.
So I have new straps for that, but then there's the one that goes across the back for the glass. And I don't know how to do that, but we're gonna figure it out today. Right,
S2000 soft top install.
Not excited. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna take these off. There's a little clip here. There's a little screw here. Take the screws across the front, take the screws out of here, and then we'll just...
Get to yanking?
Yep.
All right, let's get you all in close.
We have no idea what we're doing.
At all.
Never done a soft top in my life. Never owned a convertible. And apparently it isn't really hard. It's not bolted in. So should probably just take it out actually to make it easier.
I did leg day. Shit.
I think that once these screws are out, actually I have no idea. I don't even know what the steps are to remove this. I just know to take these screws out. One of these screws is different. I wonder if somebody's done this top before. What's the average lifespan of an S2000 soft top?
The world may never know.
That's a good question for Google.
It's a harder than top.
I've seen people just put double-sided tape on here. I might just do that.
Some quality stuff though.
Look at your new compressor to see where it is. It's like on the top.
What the hell is this? It's a wire in here.
Yeah, no. I gotta take that out.
What is it? I guess the signal to tell it to go down? So what, is this like a ground? Like I'm really curious of what this wire is.
It's a cable.
Oh, to pull the actual, okay.
A ground? Like, we don't want the ground here. We want to put it all the way up here.
I mean, you never know.
If this was like a BMW, it's a Honda. It makes sense. So these are the cables you have to replace, or the elastic. And I got them modified.
Hold on, are you unhooking it or are you peeling it?
It's just unhooked. It's up in there. You guys seen that drill with the ferrite side?
Yeah, for $1.
That's all?
Price is
I
right.
know that was a real burden.
$1.50.
You deserve compensation.
Why the hell is
Hey,
this?
do you want to pass me that drill for 50 cents?
I'll trade you instead. Barter.
That's literally the easiest thing.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. They scared the shit out of me on the forums. They're like, man, it's so hard to do. Blah, blah, blah.
But I do have the new Modify straps to replace these. Because when these go bad, I'm pretty sure that's what causes the rip. And as you can see, these ones are Hot garbage.
Yeah.
You know, you slip with your wrench and you smack like your engine and you're like, oh shit. Knuckle guards, bro. And it's got a magnet.
Damn, that's
so you're
legit.
like, oh shit, I need to put my tool. Oh snap.
Big love to Mishimoto.
Modify straps. I don't know why these are so much better. I think they're slightly wider and maybe just made of better elastic than the OEM. But everyone on the forum said to get them, so I figured fuck it, they're only like $20. We'll put them on. These little metal things stay in and they go inside of the rivets. You just put the pins in there and then wrap it 1.5 times around it and then wrap it around 1.5 times up here, and then they just slide inside the rivets like that. The metal pins go inside those holes. So I just got to rivet these back on and then wrap it around. So you don't actually have to drill them out. I guess I did to remove the old strap, but I don't know. If you have the old one on, you might be able to just leave it there and just wrap these around the old strap. All right, so since I don't have a rivet that is this small and long enough to go through that metal bracket, I'm just gonna drill this out with a step bit to one size larger. And then I'm gonna rivet these plates back on, because you leave these here for the Modify straps. So basically just rivet these on, and then there'll be a hole inside the rivet that the elastic strap has a pin that it just slides into. You wrap it around. You see that side's already done. Oh. Make a little more room in that one. Wait. So you wrap it this way, and then wrap it around town.
Wow, dude.
He's amazing.
No funny stuff. Tim and I just yesterday did that same thing.
Bring it around town?
Yeah.
I was watching you guys on the cameras.
Stalker.
Damn.
Just let me know when you need some real
Damn,
muscle.
I feel like I might need something to hold this. To keep the bow, like, forward. Okay, we're putting the top on. Now pan to the S2000, and then we'll just walk it over and set it on, and then we'll figure out what in the world we're doing.
Extreme quality.
Should I put the, no. Ah, damn.
Light.
Light. Get back in here.
Vampire.
Yeah, like I need this to be forward.
All right, so we're about, let's say, 2.5, 3 hours in.
Of being here at the shop. I say, how much time have we actually spent on this?
I don't know.
Well, there's plastic trim on the soft top, and there, in some spots it's on both sides, the outside and the inside. And then you have the rain gutter. So you put the rain gutter on, and you need to open it up and sandwich in the plastic, then the soft top, then the plastic, and then the outside of the rain gutter. And it basically just like grabs both sides. So there's a little channel for the rain to run down. But yeah, it's a big pain. Just getting everything lined up.
How close are you to being done, like hindsight?
I think I just gotta put these trim pieces on and then put the gaskets back in. And then I'll probably just latch it, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna come in, probably like condition it and everything.
Man.
Are you ready? I guess there's a lot of explaining to do. It's like that the car was wrecked. The last video? What was the last video we filmed? Color? We talked about, that was when I did the cut-ins. I hadn't painted any of the panels. Hey, everyone, check that out. Those are all the last things I need to do before it gets on the road, and hopefully
Really?
I can have it done by Thursday. Because Thursday is my birthday, and I'd like to drive that S2000 home. I put Xavier's coilovers on it. Do you have a video of that?
Nope. You moved too quick.
I put in DDM tuning HIDs. Actually, I don't have high beams right now because S2000s have special high beam bulb sockets or some shit. So I got new wires for that. I'm gonna rewire it since the harness was all hacked and I redid most of the headlight wiring. I gotta put the splash shields back in. I really need spacers because these look ridiculous. I got all new window trim because I got this trim, which was like $300.
What?
Yeah, it was like $250 shipped, and then they like emailed me a day later saying that the shipping was gonna be like $38 more.
God damn.
So yeah, it was like $280.
They committing robbery with it's literally nothing but plastic.
Yeah, and then Xavier let me put his radio in. I took the speakers out of the 350 and I put them in here, but now I'm thinking I might just take the whole stereo out of the 350 and put it in here. I need to put the marker lights on, the washer bottle. Is that it? Are we done?